Have you ever noticed or experienced that whenever you have any plan or occasions coming up, you see an unexpected guest popping up on your face? Yes, you heard me right. I'm talking about that pus-filled acne which is popping up over your face. How frustrating it gets to have that acne just prior to the occasion. But do you think that these acne happen overnight? Hi, I'm Dr. Roshni Mishra, and today I'm going to be bursting the myth about that acne happens overnight. Unfortunately, this myth is false. Usually, sudden breakouts of acne can happen because of multiple reasons. One of the important reasons is having a great high amount of sugar intake prior to the night, like having increased amount of junk food or the deep fried food. Along with this can lead to the hormonal imbalance, which can increase the cortisol level, leading to the acne breakouts. Usually, formation of acne takes a long process. It requires at least 1 to 2 weeks for the formation of the whole acne. From clogging of the pores to the inflammation caused by bacteria. How long it takes for the acne to heal? It usually takes quite some time for the acne to form as well. It forms with the microcomedonal formation, which is not visible through the naked eye. Now, how these comedones usually form? Basically, because of the hormonal changes, the oil follicles, the sweat secreting follicles are blocked, and they become hyperactive because of the hormonal changes, leading to the enlargement of the oil follicles which secrete excess of oil. Now, these oil usually combines with the dead cells and they clog the pores, which leads to the formation of such microcomedones over your skin. Now, the bacteria which is usually naturally present in our skin, the acne thrives within. Because of the acne formation, the bacteria usually adds to the more inflammation, leading to the pus formation. Now, usually whenever there's going to be the inflammation beneath the skin, there's going to be the formation of papules, which are going to be the red tiny bumps which are seen over the skin. And if there is going to be the infection, which usually form pimples or pustules, which are pus-filled lesions. Now, to treat any of these areas, it is very important to treat the entire area and not just the spot treatment. I hope you found this video really useful. If you have any questions, you can just write in the comment section below. Do like and subscribe and share with your family and friends.